In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cyther AI. So in order to use this, you first need to head over to cyther.ai/chat and proceed to sign up for an account. Once you sign up, you will be given 30 credits that you can use for this. So just ask it anything, and you can also include the model that you want. So for this case, let's for example ask, what is the weather today? You can input right here your prompt, type in here at, and you will be given this options for the model that you want to use. On my case, let's choose ChatGPT 5 and click on the send option. And after that, this will generate answer based on this. So with this, you can actually access a lot of models that you can use for AI, and you can compare and contrast how those models will actually work. You can also switch models using this particular icon, and you can see in here the advanced models, basic models, and the likes. So you can also attach in here some chats, also chat history, search in here, and also use voice input. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.